Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make letter templates on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here just click on new option. Now here you can see so many categories. You have to just find letter categories from here. That's it. Then just click here. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is turned on, and here it is. Now from here you can find unlimited letter templates. If you want to create these letter templates, just click here and then click on create, then click on change settings to customize it, and it's done. Now from here you can customize anything as you want. You have to just put the cursor here and then type anything as you want, and that's it. And from here you can also customize this text. You have to just select it and then you can type anything, and it's done. And that is how you can make letter templates on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.